Hey guys, today we are making potato salad and gumbo. Sous chef here, Leah, and we have Leia over there. She's eating chicken noodle soup. So we're gonna get into part one of the video and we're gonna make our potato salad. You guys make sure you check the description box for the recipe and let's get started. All right, so let's get started. Come on, sous chef. We have our potatoes. We're gonna add it to our pot, like so. And then we're gonna cover it with water and boil for about 10 minutes. Then remove and drain. All right, and now we're going to boil our eggs while we wait on our potatoes. All right, our potatoes are done. So basically now all we do is dump and combine. And voila, potato salad done. So let's start adding. All right, now we're adding our mayo. Adding our pimentos. Our relish.
The green onions.
Green onions. Some of those green onions made it to my leg. Mustard. Adding our eggs.
Now guys, we're going to mix all of the ingredients together.
Getting outside the bowl. Sure doesn't look good once you're mixing it.
Yeah. But when it's combined all together and put it in the refrigerator for a little bit until it's all nice and cold and eat it with a gumbo. No.
Some people like hot potato salad. For me, I don't like my potato salad warm, hot. I like it nice and cold. Just keep mixing until it's combined well. And if you want it to be a little bit more, I guess, chunks of potatoes, you can set it to the side for a couple of minutes, let them cool off. But me, I really don't care as long as it tastes good. All right, we combine all of our ingredients, and this is what it looks like. I think I want to add a little salt and pepper to taste. Just a little bit, because I added salt to the potatoes. When I was potato salad done, now it's time for the gumbo. So y'all make sure y'all skip on over to the next video so we can make some gumbo, y'all. Right now, so we have finished our potato salad, and I don't mean to toot my own horn, but it is too delicious. All right, so we put that to the side. I actually, since I'm ready to eat like now and I like mine cold, I actually put mine in the freezer for a little bit while I make my gumbo so it can be cold. But other than that, you can put it in the refrigerator if you like it warm. You want to eat it hot, just dig in. It is so yummy, I'm telling you.
Either way,
you will not complain. Try the recipe, it's delicious. And comment down below and let me know what you think, okay?
comment down below.
Comment down below. You heard her.